Agriland Biotech Limited presents Mighty Right Mycozone, a product based on vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza, an environment-friendly crop rooting baby. 1 gram of mycozone is a 3000 effective propagules. 100 gram of mycozone delivers 3 lakhs propagules. Mycozone at 100 gram per acre is an ideal practice. It is useful in all the crops. Be smart and bury mycozone a little deeper into the soil rhizosphere. Mycozone, rigorous rooting network, rigorous nutrient uptake. Mycozone hyphae and mycozone spores take challenge of nutrient storage and nutrient mobilization through its vast network of arbuscles and vesicles. Arbuscles are meant for nutrient mobilization and vesicles are for nutrient storage. Mycozone hyphae and spores are the extended arms of crops' roots. These extended arms drag the nutrients from the far ends, well deeps and surroundings. What a wonderful job they are doing. Conserves soil moisture, thereby surviving plants in a water deficient time. Restores nutrients, thereby surviving plants in a nutrient deficient time. Lowers transplanting shocks. Imparts plant metabolic activities. Reduces fertilizer dependence. Reduces pesticide dependence. Reclaims adverse soils. Mycozone, a perfect harmony with the crop plants. It takes a few nutrients from the plant, but in return, it gives plenty of nutrients back to the crops. How wondering! Value for the money, value for the friendship. Mycozone, an active connection between roots and soil. Mycozone, a great reduction in phosphatic fertilizers and other plant food. Mycozone, for plant growth and higher yield. Mycozone, a mycorrhiza with 2 years shelf life, one of the highest in the industry. Mycozone, a world-class product for better plant survival, better plant growth and higher yield. Easy to apply, worthwhile to remember. Mycozone, friendly to beneficial soil microbes, friendly to rhizosphere zone, friendly to soil ecosystem, friendly to the environment, best known for the water conservation, a great saving of fertilizers and pesticides. Mycozone, worth remembering soil tycoon. Mycozone, strategically developed, beautifully designed and smartly positioned. Agriland, in the pursuit of excellence in organic agriculture. Higher vitamins, minerals and enzymes. No cocktail of poisonous chemicals. Nourishing human health. Sustainable farming. People around the world are organics crazy. It's a health statement. We should therefore now think of our children and grandchildren. They will thank us. Mycozone. It's not a product, it's a concept.